Hey y'all, I hope y'all can see me because I'm back to the light. There we go. I'm crooked. There I am. Hey. Well, I'm here today for something a little different from me, but I do want to make it a somewhat regular type thing. I am doing a DIY. My name is Bernetta and I am the Bougie Cheapskate, and I am doing things today bougie cheapskate style. What I'm doing is painting the front and the side door, the outside. Now, insert photo here, hopefully. The front and side of my house is just plain. It's just this plain white door that has bothered me the entire 6 years that I've been here. But I just didn't know what color to paint it. Oh, I just didn't know what color to paint it. So my home is that traditional red brick, that medium red brick, not that light pinky brick, not that deep dark. It's like the medium, I think what they used to call colonial red brick. So just a standard red brick. And back in the day, the color that they would pair with that was like what they called a colonial blue. Now, I'm quite sure if I went to the store, I could get some historically accurate colonial blue paint that would properly coordinate with my colonial red tile and pay full price to have them mix me up some accurate blue paint. But bougie cheap style, bougie but cheap, the cheapskate in me just won't let me do that. So I went to 2 different Lowe's and I believe at least 1 Home Depot, searching through, you guessed it, oops paint. Yes. And I was looking for me something close enough, yes, to that colonial blue. So this is Valspar paint, and the original price was $29.98 and I got it for $9 for a whole gallon. I don't really need a gallon. They had the little quarts or the little small cans. Some of those were $2, but of course I couldn't find my color. So that's the reason why I decided to paint both the front and the side doors in my pretty blue, almost colonial blue paint. So wish me luck. Here we go. Let's see. Hopefully did not get me a paint can opener. So I'll be using my scissors. Come on, focus. Oh man. Okay, I did get me a small, there we go. I did get myself a small paint tray and a new little roller, and I got multiple replacements for my little roller. I did not see paint trays liners small enough for this, so I took a good old good old shopping bag. This one is probably from Lowe's, where I purchase everything from. Not sponsored. Goals. But anyway, so I use this, just wrapped it. I'll pour my paint in here. When I'm done, I'll flip it inside out, pull it off. Free liner, cheapskate style. Alright, I am feeling a little silly today, so forgive me in advance, but I'm trying to get myself motivated to do this. I asked my son to help, and he's hiding in his bedroom as if I don't know where he is. But I'm gonna paint my door first. I gave him the chance to pick whether he wanted the front door or the side door. He picked the side door because there's glass, so there's less to paint. I'm not crazy. I know why he did it. Let's see. I am going to go ahead and finish painting true amateur style. If you are watching this with your husband and or you are semi-professional or professional painter, you may want to start cringing probably about 10 or 15 minutes ago. Relax your face and make it stuck like that, because I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna do it. Pray for me. All right, y'all, I'm back, and y'all can see that back there. Let's see, y'all can't see that over there. Uh-oh, I done got ready to start prepping another project. Don't forget to subscribe to join the tribe and click that bell for future notices, so when y'all see why I have that pull-out pantry sitting in the middle of the floor, so y'all can't see that beautiful blue door back there. Alrighty, but how about that? I did a pretty good job, y'all. Alright, y'all know I'm cheap, so I showed y'all the grocery bag for the tray liner, trash bags for the drop cloths, so, and Oops paint for only $9. I think I paid maybe I want to say $6 or so for the combination paint roller and tray from Lowe's. So we're at $15. I had to go and get I had to get a small pack of foam brushes to get all the little cracks and crevices. Don't know why I didn't think of that. And that was $2. So far, under $20. Love that. So for less than the price of the can of paint, I was able to finish both the front door and the side door. And I have so much paint left over. I may even paint the tenant's basement door. Maybe, why not? I did a surprise outside, and I may do a few more things to go outside with that paint. So I'm gonna definitely get more than my money's worth out of that paint, and hopefully I will have it on hand for touch-ups for a few years to come, until just in case I get tired of the blue. But I love it, y'all. Let me take you outside so you can see at least the front door, and then we'll talk about that. And once the side door dries a little bit more, I'll take you and show you that as well. All right, so y'all see the surprise. I painted that planter blue. My blue door, this is my side door. It has glass. My son actually painted this one for me. And let me move a few things, then I can close it and step outside. That one still has tape on it. This one was painted last, so he has a little bit of cleanup on the floor. Okay, y'all, here's my blue door from the side. I don't know, y'all. The blue on the side, y'all, look like it needs something else. I don't know, y'all. Something else might need to be blue. Maybe because it's so much white on the door still showing. I mean, on the storm door. Tell me what y'all think. I know these plants need some help. It's my mint, my strawberries, and that is about to be cleaned out because I just came and got some peppers. So all those weeds have got to go so I can put in my peppers. But yeah, so that's the side door. That trash can right there has grocery bags, believe it or not. Let's take one last peek. Oh well, I left the door open. All right, so very easy. My daughter's gonna have a fit. Oh yeah, angles. One last peek. So, final thoughts. I love the door. Y'all see my mess? Oh my goodness, cleaning video to come. Love the front door. Absolutely love the front door. Absolutely love the planter. I don't know about the side door, y'all, but it might stay because it's on the side, at least for a while. But thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to join the tribe. Click the bell to be notified because I have another DIY. If you like this, I have something else coming up that is going to be unusual. You'll want to see it. Thank you again for watching. Thank you for subscribing in advance. Until next time, be blessed. Thank you.